impeachment kasi, ang initiation ng impeachment proceeding dapat ay tugma or tumutugma doon sa requirements ng due process, ng rules ng House at ng Constitution. Hindi pwedeng magmalabis or merong grave abuse of discretion on the part of the House of Representatives Committee on Justice. Unfortunately, dito sa sitwasyong ito, meron kaming nakita na paglalabis or pagmamalabis on the part of the House with all due respect. Kasi yung kanilang ginagawang fishing expedition at pag-issue ng subpoena is well beyond their power. So, hindi ko nakita itong klaseng aksyon on the part of the previous Congresses. Ngayon lang na merong ganito na parang full-blown trial or mini trial on the part of the House when in fact ang kanilang duty under the Constitution or mandate is only to initiate cases or complaints of impeachment. So sana kung mindful ang House Committee on Justice sa kanilang mandato ay itigil na nila ang ginagawa ngayon dito at kung sa tingin nila meron silang probable cause, ipresenta na nila yan ang kanilang report or committee report sa House Plenary para magkaroon sila ng deliberasyon at magbotohan sila kung uusad ba yan, kung i-approve ba yan ng plenaryo at i-transmit sa Senate for trial. Sa ngayon kasi, mukhang gusto nilang gamitin ito as a spectacle, with all due respect again to the House Committee on Justice, para pahiyain, para palakihin, parang gawing kangaroo court yung House Committee on Justice, which is improper, illegal, void, and unconstitutional.